Hey guys, this is kind of good news for Peter Obi and the Labour Party, as Tribunal admits the US court judgment and other documents tendered by Peter Obi against Tinubu. Welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. The judgments allegedly indicted Tinubu and ordered his forfeiture of $460,000 in a drug-related offense. The Presidential Election Petition Court has admitted in evidence documents tendered by the candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 presidential election, Peter Obi, to defend his petition against President Bola Tinubu. Obi had filed a petition at the Tribunal to challenge Tinubu's victory in the election as declared by the Independent National Electoral Commission. Tinubu was sworn in as president on Monday, May 29. The document, which was tendered on Thursday in Abuja through the petitioner's first witnesses, Mr. Lawrence, included a United States District Court judgment. The judgment allegedly indicted Tinubu and ordered his forfeiture of $460,000 in a drug-related offense. Rollins, who led in evidence by Mr. Jubrin Okute-san, told the court that he was a registered voter who voted at a polling unit in his hometown in Anambra on February 25th, the news agency of Nigeria reports. The counsel for the respondents raised objections to the mission of the document in evidence, but reserved their arguments to their objections until the final address stage. Under cross-examination by the counsel for Tinubu, Mr. Wole, the witnesses admitted that the judgment was not registered in Nigeria. Mr. Lawrence Nwakate also admitted that there was no certificate from any secular in Nigeria for the US in support of the judgment, but that the judgment was obtained and certified by the person whose custody it was. The witness told the court that he had been to the US and also read the judgment in its entirety, addressing that he would be surprised if no mention was made of the forfeiture of $460 by Tinubu. While also cross-examining the witness, the counsel for the All Progressive Congress (APC), Mr. Latif, sought to know if the document had the certification of any police officer in the US. Do you have certificate given under the hand of a police officer in the United States where the alleged conviction took place? Are you aware of a formal clearance report dated February 4th, 2003, issued under the illegal attach of the United States Embassy in respect of the alleged indictment and forfeiture? The witnesses told the court that he had no certificate from the police and that he was not aware of any such report. The witness further told the court that he did not have the charges against Tinubu because there were no charges since the indictment was from a civil forfeiture proceedings. Since Nwakite was the petitioner's only witness for the day, the chairman of the court, Justice Aruna, adjourned further hearing the petition until Wednesday. So guys, you've all heard it now. What's your take on this? The Presidential Election Petition Court has admitted in evidence documents tendered by the candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 presidential election, Peter Obi, to defend his petition against President Bola Tinubu. Obi had filed a petition at the tribunal to challenge Tinubu's victory in the election as declared by the Independent National Electoral Commission. Tinubu was sworn in as president on Monday, May 29. The document, which was tendered on Tuesday in Abuja through the petitioner's first witness, Mr. Lawrence Nwakati, included a United States District Court judgment. The judgment allegedly indicted Tinubu and ordered his forfeiture of $460,000 in a drug-related offense. Nwakati, who was led in evidence by Mr. Jibrin Okutakpa San, told the court that he was a registered voter who voted at a polling unit in his hometown in Anambra on February 25, 2023, the news agency of Nigeria reports. The counsel for the respondents, raised objections to the admission of the documents in evidence, but reserved their judgment to their arguments to their objections until the final address stage. There is no hope in the judiciary. What played out in Bayelsa State in 2019 that made the judiciary to disqualify the governor-elect and the deputy is similar to what actually played out between Bart and Shettima. But the latter not disqualified. The disqualified governor-elect and his deputy should be given back their mandate given to them by the Bayelsas. Their case should be revisited. Honestly speaking, these people, they will always turn, the law to suit them. Because this one I consign the ruling party. Yes, for that reason, no matter how they will twist this case, now so they see they look like this, now so we go say look and come back. Nigerians, there is fire on the mountain. There is no law in Nigeria. That is the truth. Does Nigeria have laws, and does Nigeria believe and obey its own laws according to the constitution? No. There is so much corruption among the judges. Very sad indeed. I beg my people, make a drop am for here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section, please. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you for always having you here. Bye for now.